What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Lewis, and today we're going to be going through my build plan for the Aygo. So without further ado, let's get it. So some progress since the last video. I have actually fitted front spacers. It's now sitting a lot better than it was previously. A lot better than it was previously. And here it is, the lovely 1 litre engine. Now, for my build, I am actually going to be sticking with this engine. How much I'm hoping to get out of it is ranging between 200, 250. Now, of course, that sounds ridiculous for a 1 litre, but I have actually got a very detailed build plan for it. I'm not gonna give away too much of what I've got planned, but let's just say this: it's gonna be a lot different than when it started out, and it's gonna be sick. I am actually so hyped. So it's gonna take probably the next couple years to finish. But when it's done, I'm gonna enjoy it. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be a sleeper, actually, because looking at this, who would think they'll get gapped by this? But yeah, when it's done, it's gonna be sick, because this car only weighs about 3/4 of a ton. So yeah, lots of potential. And I have been asked, am I engine swapping it? And the answer is no, because A, I'm not into the whole engine swapping thing, and B, I like how this engine sounds in comparison to what you'd get from a 4-pot. Most of them sound the same to me anyway, so no, yeah, I'm gonna work on this at some point down the line, maybe something else alongside it, but for now it's gonna be this. Thanks again, guys, for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.